In this video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the Google search not working. So if you're facing this situation, the first thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. So simply tap and hold the app of Google, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, you'll be able to see the option called storage being displayed. And once you're inside of storage, make sure you tap on clear cache as well as tap on clear all data. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the Google application from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is solved. If you're using this on your browser, you can try to clear out your browser cache as well. Also make sure that you disconnect to any sort of VPNs if you are currently connected to one, as well as make sure that you disable any sort of extensions or ad blockers. So once you follow these steps, you should be able to solve your issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is look for new updates available. So simply head over to your Play Store, search for Google, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.